Hi, I'm Chad Conley with EXP Realty here in Sheridan, Wyoming, and I'm joined today with DJ Dearcorn of First Federal Bank. And this interview will be posted on the Park Bench Sheridan community site, and there you'll be able to see all the local news and events that are happening in the area, housing listings that are available here in Sheridan. So DJ, thanks again for joining us today.
Yeah, you betcha. Thank you.
So just tell us a little bit about First Federal and your position here.
Yeah, so First Federal was originated in 1935 as a savings and loan. We're organized as a mutual, which means that we're owned by our depositors. So we're much like a credit union in that instance, but we actually pay taxes. The credit unions are tax exempt, so we're just like every American citizen paying our income taxes, right, like you guys. You know, our primary focus is to serve our community. We're very intentional about being you know, a steward in the community and a member of the communities that we serve, to see that everyone is being successful, whether it's business related or you know, housing related or you know, a place to safely deposit your money. So you know, we're really focused on just being the best we can be and have a long, you know, substantial life here to continue to serve our community.
So, so you guys have done a lot of the community service here in town, and I know that like donating some of the land to the school and a lot of other things like that. So,
yeah, you know, we were fortunate to be in a position where we actually sold some land to the school there next to the football stadium. We donated some larger gifts to the school recently as well, but our community giving and contribution fund continues to grow, and we really put an emphasis on sharing those funds throughout the community and sponsoring various events and you know, just being present and being sure that we're giving back to the community. That's really, you know, our stakeholders. Those are our investors, and so if we can, you know, help different groups you know, do better, or if we can help our depositor you know, with a little bit better interest rate, that's where we feel like we can give back you know, to our shareholders. So
right, no, excellent. And tell us a little bit about your position here.
Yeah, I manage our commercial lending department. So we run out and, you know, try to make business loans in the community, and I just try to keep us on the rails and, you know, stay out of their way and keep this group, you know, happy and motivated and working together to row in the right direction. It's a great group, and I'm privileged and honored to be in this position and help be a part of the bank's success, you know, from a commercial standpoint. It's great.
No, and it's been cool to see all the businesses kind of grow and develop here in the Sheridan area the last few years as well.
Yeah, it's been a real healthy market for us, and we're excited to do our part in that.
Cool, excellent. What would you say you love the most about Sheridan, and what are some of the things you like to do here in the area?
You know, Sheridan's where I'm from. It's where my wife's from. So, you know, it's great to have our families right here and you know, participate in the things that we did when we grew up here. You know, the time in the Tongue River and at the reservoir, or you know, Lake DeSmet in the area, things that go on, and now to be back at Antelope Butte where I grew up skiing and taking my kids there. You know, just the outdoor activities are endless. I'm just thrilled to be able to share that experience with our kids, and camping in the summertime and so forth. So, you know, we spend a lot of time outdoors and enjoying those kinds of things. And then, you know, we've got amazing schools and a wonderful place to raise our kids, a safe community, and you know, it's just I feel blessed to be, you know, a Wyoming resident, and to be in Sheridan is the best place in Wyoming.
Yeah, I know it's hard to beat. There's so many things to do outside and run around, and the mountains, and it's hard to beat for sure. What are some of the favorite restaurants you like to check out here in Sheridan?
Well, I did meet my wife at the Pony, and it's pretty, you know, consistent. So I gotta say I love the Pony. You know,
Gotcha.
P.O. News. Gosh, there's a number of favorites. You can't beat Smith Alley's tots, man. Those things are awesome. Yeah, I'm kind of a foodie, so I'll go anywhere. Las Delicias is one of my top ones.
Sure.
Yeah. I try to get around to all the food spots.
Yeah, no, it's hard to beat. There's a lot of good spots
There
here in
is.
town for sure.
Yep.
Well, good deal. Well, thank you, DJ, for taking the time to talk with us today, and sure appreciate it.
Yeah, you bet, Chad. Thank you, buddy.
All right.